Guys, haven't made a video in a while. Just picked up a 2017 Focus RS2. I got a new leftover, so I got a pretty good deal on it. So I've only done a few things to it so far. I got the gel emblems in here to match, same color as the stock badges. Other than that, I got the whole car ceramic coated by C-Quartz just to have it protected. And haven't really done anything else to it yet that I want to. A couple small things that I have in mind, but pretty much that's it so far for the C-Quartz and for the emblems. So I wanted to get a little bit more turbo noise from things that I've read, and I haven't seen a video on YouTube about it yet. I was just gonna drop the hood liner. So these clips here, you don't need any tools for them at all. All you do is you go right here, pinch it, and you can pull them right out. I believe there's about 10 of them or so. They pop right out, don't break them. This way, you know, you can put the hood liner back in if you're gonna go to the dealer or you decide you don't like it. But that's pretty much it. So you go right here, push, push, put pressure on one side of them, and then they snap right out. Which now, as you can see, this one's giving me a hard time. There you go. And they come out, you know, all intact, no issues, and you could always put it back on. So other than that, car's all stock, haven't tuned it. No intake, no exhaust. The only mod that I did do performance-wise is the exhaust valve delete. So I just put the little sensor in there, and it tricks it to keep it open. I'll put up an exhaust video soon too. So you guys got any questions, any comments, just let me know. Comment below, and see you soon.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.